Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I have another great review for you. If you're new to my channel, I review literally anything, all kinds of stuff, so please do subscribe, like the video if you're enjoying it or found it helpful, and of course feel free to comment, because I do actually respond if you got questions and there's anything I can help with. So. Today, the product I'm reviewing is kind of unique. I'll include some links down below to where you can find it and more details, but it is Vital Sleep. So I was looking, I'm a snorer, and I was looking for something to kind of help with my snoring, especially when people complain about it. And so doing a little searching on the internet, there's a lot of options, a lot of mouth guards out there that are supposed to help with snoring. And I decided to give Vital Sleep a try. And the reason I gravitated to Vital Sleep is it's, first off, it's anything health kind of related, kind of makes me a little nervous. So it's FDA cleared, which was important to me. And then it's made with BPA free and latex free ingredients, and it's all medical grade gels and plastics and everything, which you'll see here in a minute. And then another very different thing compared to a lot of the brands out there, if you do your own research, is it has a lot of custom fit options. So there's a lot of mouth guards, like you can pick up just at CVS, Walgreens, Target, but it's just a mouth guard that's kind of designed to help with snoring or teeth grinding, etc. But it's a one size fits all type situation, and they're not as comfortable. So Vital Sleep has made it more comfortable for you. So what you get, it's just a simple, straight little box. Comes with instructions that tells you, a little bit about snoring and, what to do, how to clean it, and then how the process of doing the custom fitting. And that's basically, pretty straightforward. Very, very clear, great instructions with pictures and everything. You get the carrying case here, which keeps it sanitary, easy to clean. Just scrub it with toothpaste, or you can even buy the denture cleaning things and drop it in a glass and clean it that way. So there's multiple options to clean it with. So this is the device. Let me show it to you here. This is what it looks like. You just simple white plastic, got a hole here for breathing, and then it's got this blue gel on the top and the bottom. So what's unique about the blue gel, this goes back to that custom fit that I was telling you about. When you first get it, there's some in the instructions that tells you how to do this. It's super easy. You basically dip it in some cold water, dip it in some boiling water, and then cold water again, and then you put it in your mouth and you push down and you make your teeth imprints, which you can kind of see there, some of my imprints. And if you don't do it right the first time, no worries. Repeat the process again. It softens the gel again, and then you can try it again. So it's not like it's a one-time shot. If you screw up, you're out of luck and you just wasted your money. Couple tips in the process when you do this is use some like metal tongs. When you're in the boiling water, hold it. Don't let it just sit there at the bottom, because it's blue gel. If it does touch the sides, it'll start sticking to it, and then it'll float around. So to me, it's easy. Just grab some tongs, hold it in there for the 60 seconds, and then transfer it to the cold water and do it that way. That would be my only suggestion. So another thing, wear it a couple nights. First, make sure it's comfortable in the fit, but this bottom part can adjust forward depending on your jaw alignment. And how you do that is with this little Allen wrench tool here, which there's a little notch here on either side, and you give it one little turn and it'll move it forward. You do that, crank it one night on both sides. If it's still not comfortable, the next night crank it. It's definitely a couple week experience here to make sure it's most comfortable. And I do want to warn, two things I noticed it took some getting used to is the first few nights, your jaw, you'll notice it's more sore when you wake up, just simply because you're not used to having this in your mouth. And then the other thing is, because it is open here, you can end up doing some drooling depending on how you're laying. So you'll be aware of that also. I mean, it's like I said, it's not the sexiest thing out here, but it does help with snoring, which is which is why I'm reviewing it. I was kind of surprised. So everybody tells me I'm a big snorer, and simply wearing this at night has helped. And, you know, people tell me I'm not snoring, which is great. And I feel more rested with it, maybe because I'm getting more oxygen. I'm not, you know, all the if you look into the science stuff behind the snoring. So it seems to be helping me. Now, it's not something I wear every night, all night long. I'm probably kind of been tapering up to it. So either way, for the price point, it's been great. If you have someone in your house that is a snorer, you may consider getting it for them. Or if you're a snorer yourself, look into it. And I've been very happy with it. So like I said, it's Vital Sleep. I'll include some links on how to find it. I appreciate, you know, if you like the video, be sure to give it a like. And until the next review, you guys take it easy, and I'll catch you later. Bye. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.